Hey guys, it's your boy Jamaican here, back at you with another video, and we got the new Nintendo Switch. We're gonna be playing Switch 1-2 with my girlfriend. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
This is a game called Quick Draw, so you pretty much have to stand in front of each other and shoot the person in front of you as fast as you can. So,
let's get it.
lower your guns. Lower your guns.
Ready?
She's always kicking my ass, bro.
Fire!
Ah! I know she got me. Oh!
He got me for the first time. Oh, yeah, babe.
Hey.
Okay.
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 We're gonna be playing some boxing. We've never done this before, but let's see what happens.
Straight.
You have to do this.
No.
But you have to hold it though. Oh no, you don't.
Hook.
Wait.
Straight. Hook. Uppercut. Hook. Straight. Uppercut. Straight. Rapid fire. Keep it up.
I feel like your arm is so long.
I think this is the arm they count. I don't think that one counts.
I know.
Oh crap.
Uppercut.
Rapid fire.
Uppercut. Hook.
You got my feet up. You should jam.
Yeah, babe, I think you were using this arm. Ugh.
We're running to get to the flag first. That's what we're doing.
So let's get it.
Get set.
Nyla, stop.
I think if I just do this, I'll win.
Woo!
No!
Nyla, go quick. Go.
All right. Let's go.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
4. Ho! Copy. Yeah. Copy. Good. Copy.
Okay.
Your turn.
You ready?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Ho!
What the? Are you serious?
Copy.
Oh crap!
What the?
Copy.
Pose.
Copy.
That was fun.
That's pretty lit.
The results.
Oh snap. How'd you
What?
get my butt? What?
These niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the